One of the worst mistakes you can make as a man is to not fulfill purpose. And what do I mean by that? Well, you ask yourself the big questions. Why am I here? What am I supposed to be doing? What am I good at? Can I monetize what I'm good at? And if you can you then become great at it? What are you going to do with this money? Are you just going to blow it all, spend it? Who are you going to spend it with? Are you going to have children? Who is this woman that you're going to have children with? Because essentially, you should want to have kids. You should want to pass down some of that knowledge, wisdom, understanding, and of course, finances, probably even property, right? To your kids. But what is this woman going to be like? Characteristics, qualities, qualifications? Does she have to be well educated, Ivy League? Is that necessary for a good wife? Because that's what you should be looking for. Let's hear from Uncle Denzel on his wife. Let's see if we can gain some understanding.
I have a God-fearing, loving, faithful wife who has taught me so much about family. I'm from a broken home. Seeing her consistency in really running the household while I'm out hunting and understanding the importance of family. And, you know, I protect her, I love her, and I provide for her. You know, they talk about the roles we have. No, that doesn't mean one role is more important. Yes, I'm the breadwinner, but my children are winners because of my wife and the type of house she's established.
So she's. Did you hear that? He said, "I'm the breadwinner, but my children are winners because of the type of house that she's established." Based on the kind of woman his wife is, he considers his children to be winners. That's the coldest thing I ever heard. Because you know what? As a father myself, that is something you want for your children desperately. For them to have a home where both of you are present, both of you know your roles, you know what to do, you impart this knowledge, wisdom, and understanding on your children, and they grow up to do the same for theirs. Every decision you make has consequences. This decision has probably the longest lasting consequences of any. Having children with the wrong woman. Because let's be honest, women choose men for different reasons. You might get chosen based on your good looks. You have good genetics, right? You're tall, you're certain complexion, you're well educated, you speak well, you're knowledgeable. Different things. You come from a good background, a good family, probably wealthy. You have a good work ethic. Uh, you're muscular, you're toned, you go to the gym. Different reasons. What about the reasons that women get picked? Right? Because she picks you, that doesn't mean that you have to pick her. Because most women, all they have to offer is their good looks. Because let's be honest, men are not interested in how much a woman makes or where she was educated. You notice he didn't mention any of those. Well, she's a Harvard educated doctor of such and no. That's not important. How this person was raised and how they are raising his kids, that's what's important. What we see in the public today is so far removed from the ideals of a good mother. And I'm going to show you a few that you have to be very careful with that decision. And there's a lot of guys out there, you know, they mess around with all these girls, jumping from woman to woman. And if you're young, then, you know, you make your bed, but you have to also lay in it. As I said, every decision has consequences. You have a child with the wrong person, you are literally going to pay for it for the rest of your life. I have friends who have lost businesses, lost their homes, got divorced, placed on child support, had the cops call them, try to get them locked up. All because of that one decision that they made with this one woman. So you have to be careful. Use every ounce of judgment that you have. That's why I make these kinds of videos. That's why this kind of content is out here. So that you can judge for yourself.
Mike, ain't that his name? Yeah, Mike in the hole.
All right, now this the. Whew, he fresh as fuck. You want to be my sugar daddy? This is my new sugar daddy. So you gonna spend it on me? All right, then I'ma smash. Oh, shit, like. We gonna get married for sure. Okay. Yeah. We getting married.
Damn, yeah. Hey,
yeah.
That motherfucker too.
Yeah, smash, double smash. Okay, hi. Can I see your hand? Can I see your left hand? Okay, no ring. I got a question. How strong are you?
I'm pretty strong.
You pretty strong? Can you pick me up? You can? Can we see?
Let's see. Hold up.
Lord have mercy, I'm about to bust.
He's back.
Now you tell me, honestly speaking, what do these two young girls want from Mike? Can we be honest about that? That first one was like, oh yeah, you can be my sugar daddy. Of course, yeah, why not? Second one looked like she just wanted daddy, period. With that short romper she got on, cheeks all out. The one with the other orange hair, you seen how she was in the background with her tongue out like, yeah, make it a three-way and I'm in.
He's back. Oh, shit.
Yeah, smash, double smash. Yeah, smash, double smash.
You see her face in the back? She like, yeah, I'm in.
Yeah, smash, double.
See that? Am I lying though? We know what time it is with these young girls out here. Don't play with them. Now, obviously, I don't know anything about Mike. Alright? Just another white guy in a jacket, tie, and some slacks. He might be a business owner that knows, these young girls out here is going to do something real freaky and real strange for a small piece of change. So, that may be it. Or he might just be one of these older guys that's looking for a piece of arm candy. I don't know. But look at the women and their reactions to him saying that he's going to smash. These are the young women that we have out here, which is why you have to be so careful who you choose.
Hey, how are you?
Good, how you doing?
Good to see you here tonight.
That's good. That's good to see.
Nice.
Oh, thank you.
Smash! How are you?
I'm good, how are you?
I'm real good. I'm better now that you're here. He cold. Smash! Smash!
Yeah, like no words? No words, just smash?
I left you speechless, so
You really
don't
did.
gotta say nothing.
Even if you're a Dodgers fan.
Who cares? Today, smash.
How old are you?
I can do both.
Oh, shit. Oh.
Tell me your name.
I'm Dee Dee.
What do you do?
I own a hair business.
Hair business, you're pretty successful.
I think you can make me successful.
I could make you more successful.
Yeah.
Smash!
I'ma have to dig you down on some gangster shit.
Smash.
Damn, no words. What you like about her? What's her best feature?
Well, I got a picture of her naked backstage, but...
Oh, shit.
What? Bruh. Big Mike, say less. Look at her mouth open. You know what she do. You know what she do. Let's keep it 1,000. Let's keep it a rack. He said I got a picture of her naked backstage. So Shorty already did the prep work. Now if Mike get in there like some swimwear, then hey, I'm not mad at him. But just understand that's what a lot of these women are out here doing. They're looking for a dude to take care of them, to give them money, to take them shopping, all these things. However, Are they wife material? Is this a woman you can have children with and know that she's going to be there for them? She's not going to want to run to the club, go on girls' trips, have you trying to find a nanny because such and such is having something and she want to be there in the latest whatever designer clothes, and right, those kind of headaches. Look at her, she's trying to feign some type of surprise, like, oh my god, I can't believe he said I gave him a nude. Yeah, alright.
You love to see the big breasts, you know, some ass. You want to see all that. Hey, what? You got a picture of her ass.
Now I'll be 100% honest with you. Shorty right here, the chances of her being naked under that little leather dress is like 50-50. I know because I've seen it myself. I've seen chicks on the train, no drawers. So, who knows? But she already showed Big Mike the goods, so she's obviously DTP. What can I say? All that's doing is raising her body count. Although Mike is an older gent, so he's probably looking for somebody to hook up with. Maybe long term, especially if the person is going to be that much younger than him. He's not worried about this person getting older. But that's what they're looking for. So if you're an older guy, you out here, you want to have some fun with somebody, then okay. If you're a younger man, you're looking to create your lineage, you're looking to have what Denzel has. If you're there, you're looking in the wrong place. I put it just like that. And it's nothing against these women personally, obviously, because I don't know them, but a lot of these women came from single parent households where that parent was the mom, right? They didn't have the father around. Now they looking to this older man to be a sugar daddy and to take care of them so they don't have to bust their butt working, and everybody trying to retire at 25. So I can't say I blame them. But men, know what you're getting into. Like I said, do you want your children to be winners based on the woman that you have them with? They can be. Or you can get the complete polar opposite. And who the hell wants to deal with that? Not I. Anyways, that's the video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, like and share the content. And until next time, I'm out. Peace.